I'm living on borrowed time, and so are you. We guard our money, we lock our doors, we hide our passwords, but our time, we let it leak. Hours evaporate into tabs, feeds, and the endless itch to check. Here's a small act of rebellion, a last-hour audit. Right now, look back at the last 60 minutes of your life. Where did your attention go? Did it serve your values or just fill the silence? Attention is the currency of life. Spend it deliberately. If your last hour drifted, don't judge, notice. Name the pull: boredom, anxiety, habit, hunger for a hit of novelty. When I name it, it shrinks. Now set the next hour on purpose. One intention, one outcome, one tiny finish line. Phone on airplane, door closed, timer on. If it truly matters, it fits inside an hour. If it doesn't, break it smaller. Small is honest. Guard the edges of your focus. 5 deep breaths before you begin. One sentence that defines success. If I do this, the hour counts. Distractions will knock. Let them wait. You're paying with life. Make the purchase worth it. At the end of the hour, check the receipt. Did you buy progress, presence, or peace? Or did you buy noise? If you won the hour, celebrate quietly. If you lost it, learn faster. Either way, you're steering again. 1 hour repeated becomes a day you're proud of. Days become a life. No refunds, no reruns, just choices. Borrowed time is still time. Treat it like treasure. Audit your last hour. Design your next. Start now.